Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego slide so that you can put your Lego minifigures on it so that they can have some fun. So let's take it apart so that I can show you how to get your minifigures to have some fun. So now that I've separated all the pieces, I can show you what you will need. You will need 8 2x2s, 3 1x4s, 8 1x2s, 4 2x2 slopes, 1 3x4 slope, 1 1x3 slope, 1 2x4 slope, 1 1x3 piece, and 2 2x2 inverted slopes. Now, let's put everything aside so we can build. So first for our slide, we're gonna need to make the way on. Because how can you get onto the slide without a way onto the slide? So, this is what you'll need to make the steps. Very basic. 4 2x2s stacked on top of each other, like this. So next, we're gonna need to make the area where you land when you reach the end of the slide. So, let's put some of these pieces together and should eventually look like this. But let's take these out since they're too big. And let's take these ones instead. Now it's time to make the actual slide so that your minifigs can enjoy the ride. So let's put all of the 2x2 slope pieces on top of each other. And then put all the pieces that aren't regular slopes underneath. So we can do this. This might take a little time for you to build because the Lego pieces like to break apart a lot. So it should now look like this. Now place this piece at the bottom with a 1x2 like that to hold up your slide so it doesn't fall over. Then we can place 2 more 1x2 pieces. That's your ending pit, but we still aren't halfway done. Now we need to make this taller so that people riding the slide don't fly off. So it should now look like this. Now let's put our 1x3 slopes right here to look like that. Now this is where these two things meet. Let's put this piece right here and this piece right there. So it looks like this. And then we can put this here and that here. So now we have 2 1x4s that go next to each other. Now, let's put our 3x4 slope piece and put support going straight down. We can add this part as a stair. But look, it appears we don't actually need that. So we can just make this regular. And there we go. That's our Lego slide. So now let's get Steve so that he can ride our slide so we can test it. Here comes Steve. Are you ready, Steve? Sure. Whee! Was that fun, Steve? I think so. That's how you make a Lego slide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share to all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!